Good day, everyone. Today we will study the winds of Revelation 7 in connection with the current events. God bless you as you listen.
The four winds of Revelation 7 in light of current and future events.
There are much confusion and speculation surrounding the interpretation of the winds in Revelation 7 as to what they correctly represent.
Many are confused with the four winds of Daniel 7 verse 2 that strove upon the great sea, with the four winds of Revelation 7 verse 1, which the four angels are holding in great controversy. Page 440, the Spirit of Prophecy explains that the winds in Daniel 7 verse 2 are a symbol of strife.
But in the light of current and future events, it will be clearly understood why it is significant in having a correct and a deeper understanding of all the different events that the winds in Revelation 7 rightly represent, as it directly relates to the saints of God.
What is the four winds?
We came near having this realized in California a short time since, but this was only the threatening of the blowing of the four winds. As yet they are held by the four angels. We are not just ready. 5 testimonies for the church, page 152.2. There are 2 recorded events in 1888 that have to do with the Sunday law.
The first is by a religious group called the Lord's Day Alliance. The second, in 1888, in Washington, D.C., Alonzo T. Jones went before the United States Senate Committee to refute the Sunday bill introduced by Senator Blair in the 50th Congress. They are the threatening of the blowing of the winds. They are being held by the four angels until God's servants will be sealed.
Testimonies to Minister, page 444. 3. John Caesar. Elements of nature, earthquake, tempest, and political strife, represented as being held by four angels. Read Revelation 7 verses 1 to 3. This sealing of the servants of God is the same that was shown to Ezekiel in vision. Testimonies to Minister, page 445.
In the prophecy of Revelation 7 verses 1 to 3, the angel with the seal of the living God is symbolical of the angel in Ezekiel 9, with the writer's inkhorn by his side that set a mark upon the foreheads of the men that sigh and cry for all the abominations. There are 4 angels holding the 4 winds, and 4 angels that were given to hurt the earth, sea, and trees in Revelation 7.
Please note, both the angel in Revelation 7 and Ezekiel 9 put a mark or seal on their foreheads. The sealing is the same as a marking. Ellen G. White, commenting on Ezekiel 9, said, "The class who do not feel grieved over their own spiritual declension, nor mourn over the sins of others, will be left without the seal of God." Here we see that the church, the Lord's sanctuary, was the first to feel the stroke of the wrath of God. These dumb dogs that would not bark are the ones who feel the just vengeance of an offended God. Men, maidens, and little children all perish together. 5 testimonies for the church, page 211.2. What is the sealing all about?
Seal is a settling into truth just as soon as the people of God are sealed in their foreheads. It is not any seal or mark that can be seen, but a settling into the truth, both intellectually and spiritually, so they cannot be moved.
The sealing time is very short and will soon be over. Now is the time, while the 4 angels are holding the 4 winds, to make our calling and election sure. Early writing, page 58.2.
Don't forget to like, comment, follow for more studies, and share with others. Look for the part 2. The servants of God, the living saints. Until then, God bless you. Amen.